Hi children, we were talking about percentage, fraction, decimal and percentage. Now, parts always add to give a whole. What does it mean? For example, if in a school 57% of the children are boys, we can easily tell that 43% of the children are girls. How can I say it is 43%? Percentage means it is out of 100, isn't it? Out of 100, 57 is or boys. So what will be the remaining? 100 minus 57 is what? 43. So we can say 43% of the children are girls. So in general, I can say parts, all these two are parts. Boys part, girls part. Both these add up to give surely 100%. Only in percentage. Okay, don't talk about fraction. After converting that fraction to percentage, I can add it up to 100%. Okay, here is one more example. A bag contains balls of 3 different colors, red, blue and yellow. If 50% of the balls are red, 20% of the balls are blue, then what percentage of the balls are yellow? If I add these two, red balls and blue balls, I have 70%. See here, 50% plus 20% plus yellow's percentage. We don't know how many percent of balls are yellow. So I have it as X percentage. If I add these two, I will get 70. Yes, I will get 70%. Isn't it? Plus X percentage. We don't know what it is. Which is equal to 100%. We know to simplify equation, isn't it? Everywhere we will come across this equation. Wherever we get a variable, we will go into that equations. Algebra. Okay. So this 70% get transposed and it will get subtracted from 100% and we get 100% minus 70% as 30%. So the yellow number of, percentage of yellow balls is 30%. Is it clear? Next example is, what percentage of the figure is shaded? Here, this is the third question in your text where you will have only the circles. Okay, but in exam surely you will not get circles. Some shapes like this or some other shapes. What percentage of the figure is shaded? Now count how many complete shapes are there. It should be made up of some standard figures. Here we have rectangle. How many complete rectangles do I have here? 1. This is another rectangle. Big, same. It should be of same size. Okay. 2, 3, 4. Hope you are able to see. This is 5th rectangle. 6th rectangle. Is it clear? I am not counting the shaded portion. I am counting the complete rectangles here. This is 1. Hope you are following that cursor that I am showing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rectangles are there. Total blocks are 6. Now count the shaded part alone. 1. This is another 1. And this is half. This is also another half. This is another half. This is also another half. So totally how many rectangles if I add it up? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 parts are shaded. Instead of shading 4 complete parts, they have shaded half of portion in remaining 4 boxes. Is it clear how to count the fractions, how to count the figures that is being shaded? Okay. So we have shaded region as 4 by 6. Okay. Now how to convert this fraction to percentage? Very simple thing, into percentage. Here the percentage symbol is missing. We have to write, isn't it? Otherwise you will miss it. 4 by 6%. Now cancel it. Okay. 3 2s are 6. 50 2s are 100. Again cancel it. 1 3 is 3. 6 3s are 18. 6 3s are 18, 7 or 667. Then multiply by 4. Okay, you will get 66.66%. Multiply by 4 to get 66.66. Actually, it will keep on going. I have to round it off to 67. Okay, rounding off the figures. Shall we move to the next question now? This is the third question in your exercise, second exercise. Okay, you are going to do all the sums in your homework note. Okay. Now the next question is, Sanjay scored 382 marks out of 500 marks. Express his marks as a percentage, and it's your field. You can calculate your percentage here onwards. Okay. People who come and visit you, your guests, neighbors, may ask you now what's your percentage. This is how you have to calculate. Out of 500, 382. So how will we write the fraction? 382 divided by 500. Here onwards, I should not see mistakes in our group. I got 15 upon 10. Is it right? 15 upon 10. 15 out of 10. No, it is wrong. You should say, I scored 10 out of 15 marks. This is how you should write. No one should write 15 upon 10. For this is the general mistakes you all people do. I have seen many times in our group. Here onwards, if I see anybody writing like this, I will personally call you. Okay, don't make this error here onwards. So, out of should be at the denominator, in the denominator. Here onwards, you will not make mistake, I believe. Okay, how to convert it into percentage? This is the fraction, 338 marks out of 500 into 100%. You have to cancel it. 0, 0 gets cancelled. Now, I have to cancel it by 5. See here, every time it is not necessary that this should be divisible. Go in for long division or this cancellation method, whichever is easier for you. 7 5s are 35, 36, 37, 33 carry, 6 5s are 30, again 2 carry. If I add 0, I will get 4 5s are 20. So 76.4%. Next sum. A car survey was conducted to find out the colors of the cars in the city. What percentage of the cars is green? See, these are the fourth question in not fourth question. We have these question in 7 and 8, but then I will teach you in advance. Percentage I have to find for green color. So before writing a fraction, I should know the whole. Only then I can write it as a fraction. Fraction definition is part of a whole, part by whole. So add it up all these three and tell me what is the whole or the total of all these type colors car. We will get 5. Here 7. Here 7. So total number of cars is 775. So I have the solution as 775 total number of cars, and percentage is 200 divided by 775 into 100%. Again, it's all about cancellation only. You have to cancel it and find the answer. Okay, children? Shall we do? Okay. 2 5s are 10, 20. Here, 1 5 is 5. 5 5s are 25. 5 5s are 25. Again, 5 table. 4 5s are 20. 3 5s are 15. 1 5 is 5. Further, I cannot cancel it. Okay. 4 2s are 8. 800 divided by 31. Again, I have to do the long division and convert this improper fraction to mixed fraction. Hope this you can do it. Okay, children. Now, let me show you one more example. In order to find the percentage of the given quantity, the percentage will be first converted into fraction and then it will be multiplied by the given quantity. And this is the fourth and fifth sum in your exercise. Of this model, you will do fourth and fifth sum. As I said you earlier, this work you will complete it within work. 3 days work you have to split it for 6 days and complete it within that week. Okay. And today I have given questions from 1 to 5 alone in this exercise. Okay, this is fourth and fifth sum model. Find the value of 45% of 2800. 45% means I have to convert it into fraction. 45 by 100 of multiplication 2800. This is very important model where we will discuss many problems of this model. Okay. If I cancel it these two, we will get 45 into 28. If you multiply, you will get 1260. It means in 2800 rupees, 45% means rupees 1260. If I ask you what is the 50% of this 2800, 50% is nothing but half now. You can just say easily as 1400. In exam, you should not sit and calculate like 50 by 100 in 2800. It's waste of time. You should know to think logically, quickly and smartly. Okay, 50% in the sense half of that. If I say 25%, it is quarter. Half of the half. If I half this, I will get the quarter. Hope you understood. I am not confusing you. If you get confusion, better call me and get clarified. Okay, children, I want you all people to be smart. Okay. Next example is, in an election, two candidates, Rajat and Piyush, contested. Rajat got 72% of the votes. The total votes polled were 12,700. They have given the total votes. How many votes did Rajat get? Okay, the same thing. 72% of 12,500. In 12,500, he got 72% of the votes. So how will I write steps? Number of votes Rajat got is 72% of 12,500. Am I clear, children? Total people voted were 12,500. Among this, 72% was won by Rajat. Okay, so I can write 72 by 100 into 12,500. If I simplify, these two gets cancelled. Multiply 72 and 125. You will get 9,000. So how many votes did Rajat get? He got 9,000 votes. Instead, if the question is asked to find out how many votes did Piyush got, what will you do? After finding this 9,000, you can subtract it from 12,500. That is 3,500, isn't it? What is the other way of finding this answer? Piyush votes 3,500. You can find it by 72. No, what is the remaining part out of 100? Yes, 28. So I can find 28%. Percentage is 100 of 12,500. This is also the right way. Even if you cancel these two and multiply 125 with 28, you will get the same answer, that is 3,500. 5 8s are 40, 4, 8 2s are 16, 8, 9, 10, 5 2s are 10, carry 1, 2 2s are 4, 5, 2 1s are 2. If I add, do I get 3,500? Yes. So this is the two ways to find the number of how many. I am finding how many from the percentage. Percentage to how many. Okay. Now the next thing is to recall whatever we have learned so far. We learned converting fractional numbers to percentage, decimal to percentage, and percentage to fractions and decimal. This is the reverse process. For this, we have to divide by 100. 100 alone. For these two, no. For these two, we will multiply by 100%. Both are reverse process. So don't forget it. Okay. Then lastly, we found now for fourth and fifth question in your exercise, you will do converting percentages to how many. Okay. And these things you have to do it in your classwork now. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Up to this, if you complete, that's more than enough for today and this week fully. Okay, children. Let's wind up. Thank you, children. Take care. Complete your work every day regularly. Don't postpone your work. Bye-bye.